Hello friends, this is Emma from dreamdecreeabroad.com. Friends, in this video, I am going to talk about the application process of Zhejiang University and how to fill out CSC portal form. Let me first give you a short overview about Zhejiang University and then we will fill the CSC form. Country China, degree level master's and PhD scholarship coverage fully funded. Scholarship name Chinese government scholarship. Application mode online, so no need to send hard copies. Next is financial coverage. It covers full tuition fee, free accommodation, medical insurance, monthly stipend 3000 RMB for master students and 3500 RMB for PhD students. Next is eligibility criteria. Nationality open to all international students, so all students can apply. Educational background must hold a bachelor degree for master applications, must hold a master's degree for PhD applications. Age limit under 35 years for master's program and 40 years for PhD programs. Academic excellence. If you have good academics, then well and good, but it is not strictly required. Language requirements. English proficiency certificate, IELTS, TOEFL. If you have English proficiency, then there is no need of IELTS or TOEFL. If you have them, that's good, but if not, English proficiency is fine. Chinese taught programs, HSK certificate. If program is taught in Chinese, then you definitely need HSK certificate. Next, how to apply. First, you fill out the CSC online application form, and second, fill out the Zhejiang University online application form. It means you have to apply on two portals. Upload all required documents. First of all, I go to the official website of CSC, which is campuschina.org. Let me first give you a short overview about CSC scholarship. This scholarship includes almost 279 plus universities in China. The application deadline varies from university to university. There are three ways to apply: Type A, Type B, and Type C. Type A means applying through HEC, Higher Education Commission. For that, you need HAT for Masters and PhD and USAT for Bachelor's. Type B means applying directly to the university. In this case, you must apply on two portals, the university portal and CSC portal. Type C means applying through the Chinese embassy. In Type A, you also need to apply on two portals, HEC portal and CSC portal. I will walk you through step-by-step applications process, so stay tuned till the end. Click on scholarship application for students. If you are visiting for the first time, you will have to create an account before logging in. After creating the account, you can log in. You can see my email ID and password are already written because I had made an account earlier. On the top right side, you can see create an account. Click on that. Once you click it, a form opens up where you need to enter your email, password, confirm password, and validation code. Then click submit. After registration, log in with your email, password, and validation code. Then click on top left corner, application online. After clicking, you will see an interface. The first section is edit personal details. Click on edit personal details and you will have to fill in your personal information. So here you have to enter your personal information, your name, surname, Chinese name if any, date of birth, your gender, marital status, country of birth, city of birth, and then religion. Fill in all information accurately according to your passport or CNIC. Then nationality, native language. If your language is not available, you can select Urdu, no issue. Passport number, enter your date of expiration. Next, personal contact information that's include mobile number, email, alternate email, WeChat ID, but it is not mandatory. Skype number is also not mandatory. Add address and then emergency contact information. You can write your father, brother, mother detail in emergency contact. That's include contact name, Gender, relationship to you, I have chosen sibling. Phone number, email ID, and then address. After filling all the that, click verify and save. So next part is education and employment history. At the top, it says highest current education. If you are applying for PhD, enter your master's detail. If you are applying for master's, enter your bachelor's detail. I am filling the form as if I am applying for a PhD, so I will enter my master's information. So next is education level. Education level, enter field of study, country of the institute, institute name, qualification, and then years attended. Other information, other education certificates. And the next is employment history. Add your employer status, working age, title and position, employment duration, date. Next, verify and save. So next step is contact in China. If you have a professor's acceptance letter, fill in their information here. Otherwise, you can give details of a friend, relative in China. Enter the name, phone number, email ID, fax, address, and next family members, spouse name, spouse age, spouse occupation, father's name, father's age, mother's name, mother age, as it is, and then click on verify and save. N- Now click finish because all three steps are now completed. Now you will see options for type A, type B, and type C applications. As I told you earlier, type A through HEC, type B directly to university, and type C through the embassy. I will show you now how to fill the type B application form. Click type B application, then click on new application, add a new application. Now comes language proficiency and study plan section. The first is agency number. This is very important. Each university in China has a unique agency number. For example, I open a new tab and search for Zhejiang University agency number. When I search, it shows 10335. So I enter 10335 here. So university name automatically appears, Zhejiang University. So whichever university you are applying to, find its agency number and enter it. Next is Chinese proficiency. If you know Chinese, select accordingly, otherwise choose none. English proficiency, choose excellent. Apply as doctor's degree. HSK certificate, click no. Certificate of English proficiency. If yes, so you must enter scores, otherwise choose none. If no, you will later upload an English proficiency letter from your university. Then select preferred teaching language, English. Discipline applying for natural science. Major applying for example, I choose biophysics. Then the duration of major study, autofills from 2026 to 2030. Duration of major study, it automatically comes when you select program 2026 to 2030. Ever studied or worked in China? No. Ever studied in China under a Chinese government scholarship? Click on no. After filling that, click on verify and save. Now you will see the document upload list. Required documents include ID photos, certificate, transcript, study plan, 2 reference letters, passport homepage, means front page, physical examination record, papers of articles, supporting documents, Chinese language proficiency certificate, English language proficiency, pre-admission letter. So document 1 to 8 and number 15 are compulsory, while 9 to 14 include published papers, arts, other supporting documents. All are not mandatory. Upload all required documents, then click submit. After submission, you will also see withdraw option. If you want to make changes, you can withdraw and resubmit. After submitting, you can also go to online application. Download my application form to download your completed form as a PDF. If the university requires you to upload that form on their own portal, you can do so. Also, on the top right corner, you will see a CSC number, but I have not submitted yet. That number is not visible. It will appear once you submit. So this is how you fill out the CSC online application form. If you are applying through Type B, remember you must apply on both the university's portal and the CSC portal. In the next video, I will guide you about how to apply to the university's main portal. So that's all. Friends, hope you like this videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.